Come and find the baby bird. The mother crying over there. You hear the sound of the mother bird. The baby bird is hiding. Hiding something around here, I think. Oh, where is? Let's go and check all together. Oh, here it is. I saw it. The baby. The baby is here. The baby is here. See the baby? The baby bird. I will catch it. I feel it right now. Come on, baby. It's too hot right now. It's long leg. You see long leg? Oh, the wild bird. I don't know what it's called, but I can feel it right now. Oh, so cute, man. So cute. Hey, what kind of bird are you? It's so hot right now. Oh, so I will let you free. The mother bird over there cries so loudly. Yes, stand over there on the ground. It's have a long leg. I cannot see by my phone. It's too far. Nice baby. Only one. Yeah, it's too hot. I will put in the shade here so that it can hide from the enemies. So I will let you free. Bye bye, baby bird. Come on, let's say bye bye. Let's go. Bye.